A design inspired by the traditional Malaysian oil lamp that is used to welcome guests during festivals.
And this is a festival, if any. A true celebration of sports. And an impressive design.
The 5 spokes which form the frame of the torch are inscribed with the Rukun Negara, the 5 pledges that form the pillars of the country Malaysia, and all the lot hole. It's erected and it's waiting to be illuminated.
Malaysia looking to fly high. As we now fly with Dabitha.
The cauldron lit. The SEA Games officially underway in KL 2017. Noor Dabitha Sabri, Commonwealth Games bronze medalist and 2-time SEA Games gold medalist with the honor.
As we see the logo and the fireworks.
Hopefully, Kelly, this will be the start of more fireworks from venues from tomorrow onwards, because the games, with some sports kicking off already before the opening ceremony, will officially begin with tons of action happening from tomorrow onwards.
What sports are you looking forward to, Mark?
Well, obviously, swimming will be one, covering Singapore sports. As I said earlier, around 36% of our total gold medals have come from the pool, and we have an Olympic champion there, and Joseph Schooling, Kwartan went swimming as well. So there's also Nguyen Thiam Vien, golden girl of Vietnamese swimming. See what she can do this time in 2017 in KL, see what records she can break, what her winning margins are going to be. Tao Lee's already retired, so because of that, I see a new age of Singapore swimmers coming out from the pool as well. That might be very, very interesting to see who she has passed her very own torch to for these games in Kuala Lumpur. What about yourself?
I think netball's definitely going to be one to look forward to. The finals taking place tomorrow at 3 p.m. It's going to be a showdown between the Causeway rivals. Of course, Malaysia managed to beat Singapore in the round-robin stages, but Singapore are not going to give up easy. I'll tell you that. They're going to give them a good run for the money.
Well, there'll be lots of rivalries crossed yet again at these SEA Games. And there will be lots of action coming from every venue. If you are here in KL, of course, visit the venues, but otherwise watch it either on Toggle, Octo, the MediaCorp channels, because we will bring the action of Kuala Lumpur 2017 as close to you as possible.
I'm Kelly Lassner, joined by Mark Richmond. We sign off from Bukit Jalil, but don't go away. More action coming from the 29th SEA Games here in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia.
Thank you, Malaysia. The games are here, and what a welcome. 404 events for 38 sports over the next 12 days. And we would like to wish the very best to all our athletes.
Terima kasih Malaysia. Sukan SEA ke-29 kini bermula. 404 acara melalui 38 jenis sukan bakal dipertandingkan untuk 12 hari yang akan datang ini. Kami ingin mengucapkan selamat maju jaya kepada semua atlet.